Today on the Bitcoin 5, strategies STRC crash, America's national debt, a violent market squeeze, U.S Iran latest, and dual Bitcoin play in Sweden. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price, about $62,500. Bitcoin is down 19.2% over the past 4 weeks, sliding from about $77,400 to current levels, the most significant decline across all measured timeframes. The pullback coincides with broader market volatility and tightening Fed policy, with $102 million in long positions liquidated in a single hour as BTC briefly dipped below $63,000. Story 1. Strategy's preferred stock STRC crashed to $85.32, its lowest level ever, raising concerns the company may be forced to sell Bitcoin to maintain dividend obligations. STRC pays an 11.5% annual dividend, but trading $14 to $15 below its $100 par value signals the market doubts the sustainability of that yield. With MSTR's net asset value premium compressed to nearly 1 times, there's little room left to fund dividends through equity dilution. That being said, those who truly understand Strategy's balance sheet will know that STRC will return to par, and this liquidation cascade will soon be a distant memory. Story 2. Senator Cynthia Lummis doubled down on her vision for a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve, claiming that holding 5% of the world's Bitcoin could ultimately pay down America's national debt. The comment comes as Bitcoin treasury strategies face market scrutiny and macro headwinds intensify. While Lummis has been a consistent advocate for federal Bitcoin accumulation, the timing is notable, arriving as both traditional markets and crypto assets navigate heightened volatility. The broader point is not the headline alone, but what it tells us about Bitcoin's place in the financial system. Story 3. The sudden market spike is a sharp reminder of Bitcoin's volatility. Bitcoin dropped below $63,000 and Ethereum fell beneath $1,700 in a brutal hour that saw $102 million worth of long positions liquidated across crypto markets. The cascade came as over-leveraged traders were forced out of positions during a volatile trading session that caught many bulls off guard. The liquidation event coincided with broader risk-off sentiment as traditional markets digested hawkish signals from the Federal Reserve. Story 4. The US stock market surged $1 trillion at the open following the official signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the United States and Iran to end ongoing hostilities. The geopolitical breakthrough marks a potential turning point for global risk sentiment and energy markets. Traditional equities rallied hard on the news, with the Nasdaq trading just 1% away from new all-time highs, a stark contrast to Bitcoin's 50% decline from its peak. The takeaway is simple. Liquidity can still move the market violently. Story 5. Hive Digital Technologies is purchasing the 32 MW data center in Boden, Sweden, that has powered its operations since 2018. After 8 years as a tenant, the company is transitioning to ownership while continuing to expand its hybrid strategy across Bitcoin mining and AI infrastructure. The acquisition reflects a broader trend among Bitcoin miners diversifying into AI and high-performance computing as they seek to maximize the value of energy infrastructure and data center capacity. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favorite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.